Welcome. Are you tired of the dating game? Frustrated by fleeting connections and superficial encounters? The truth is, attracting a meaningful relationship isn't about flashy tricks or manipulative tactics. It's about cultivating something far more profound: inner strength and self-mastery. This essay will explore how the philosophy of Stoicism can be your secret weapon in navigating the world of dating and relationships. We'll delve into practical steps to build confidence, resilience, and genuine connection. Let's dispel a common misconception. Attracting a partner is not about conforming to a checklist of superficial qualities. It's not about the fastest car, the most expensive watch, or showering her with empty compliments. In fact, these tactics often backfire. Why? Because they reveal insecurity, a need for external validation. Women are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin, men who possess an inner strength that transcends fleeting trends. This is where Stoicism comes in. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that emphasizes virtue, reason, and living in accordance with nature. At its core, it's about focusing on what you can control, your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and accepting what you cannot. This inner strength is incredibly attractive. It conveys confidence, resilience, and a sense of peace that is often lacking in today's chaotic world. Self-control, the foundation of attraction. It's the bedrock upon which genuine attraction is built. When you possess self-control, you exude a sense of confidence and stability that others find irresistible. One of the most important Stoic principles is self-control. The Stoics believed that by mastering our emotions, we could achieve a state of inner peace and resilience. This principle is timeless and incredibly relevant in today's fast-paced world. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions, but rather learning to observe them without being ruled by them. It's about acknowledging your feelings, understanding their origins, and choosing how to respond thoughtfully. Imagine you're on a date and things aren't going as planned. Maybe the conversation is stalling or there's an unexpected hiccup. In such moments, your ability to stay composed can make all the difference. A Stoic wouldn't get flustered or defensive. Instead, they would take a deep breath, assess the situation calmly, and respond with grace. This kind of emotional intelligence is rare and highly attractive. He would remain calm and composed, focusing on enjoying the present moment. By doing so, he not only diffuses any tension, but also creates a more pleasant experience for everyone involved. This ability to stay grounded amidst uncertainty is incredibly attractive. It shows that you are in control of yourself, no matter what life throws your way. It signals emotional maturity and a sense of security. When you demonstrate self-control, you not only attract others, but also inspire them to cultivate the same strength within themselves. The power of words and presence. Stoicism also teaches the importance of meaningful communication. This means truly listening when she speaks, engaging with her thoughts and ideas. It means offering genuine compliments that go beyond superficial appearances. Instead of saying, "You look beautiful tonight," try something like, "Your passion for your work is inspiring." This demonstrates that you're paying attention, that you see beyond the surface. Navigating challenges with Stoic resolve. Let's face it, dating comes with its fair share of challenges. From the initial awkward conversations to the uncertainty of whether there will be a second date, the journey is often fraught with obstacles. You might encounter a bad date, experience rejection, or feel the sting of unreciprocated feelings. These moments can be disheartening and make you question your worth, or even face unwanted advances from other men, making you feel uncomfortable and vulnerable. These situations can be challenging to navigate. A Stoic man approaches these situations with grace and composure. He understands that these experiences are part of the journey and doesn't let them shake his core. He doesn't take things personally, recognizing that rejection is often a reflection of incompatibility rather than a personal failing. This perspective allows him to maintain his self-esteem. By understanding that not every connection is meant to be, he can move forward without dwelling on the past. He sees each experience as a learning opportunity. He remains calm and assertive, setting boundaries without becoming aggressive. This balance is key to maintaining healthy interactions. Setting boundaries is crucial. It shows respect for oneself and others, ensuring that interactions are based on mutual respect and understanding. This calm confidence is magnetic. It draws people in and makes them feel at ease, creating a positive and inviting atmosphere. It shows that you're not easily rattled, that you can handle whatever life throws your way. This resilience is admired and respected by others. Embracing Stoic principles in dating and life helps you navigate challenges with a clear mind and a steady heart. It empowers you to face adversity with courage and grace. Cultivating your authentic self. Ultimately, attracting a meaningful relationship is about becoming the best version of yourself. This journey begins with self-awareness and self-acceptance. Take time to understand your strengths and weaknesses and embrace them fully. It's about cultivating your passions, pursuing your purpose, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, or working on a project that excites you, these pursuits will help you connect with your true self. Living a life of integrity means aligning your actions with your values. It's about being honest, reliable, and true to yourself in every situation. This authenticity will naturally attract others who appreciate and respect you for who you are. This inner growth will radiate outward, creating a positive energy that others can sense. When you are genuinely happy and content, it shows in your demeanor and interactions, drawing people to your authentic self. Building meaningful relationships is about connecting with others on a deeper level. It's about sharing your true self and being open to understanding others. This mutual respect and understanding form the foundation of strong, lasting relationships. So, embrace the principles of Stoicism. Develop your inner strength, your resilience, and your ability to remain calm and composed in the face of challenges. These qualities will not only help you navigate life's ups and downs, but also make you a more attractive and reliable partner. Your capacity for genuine connection is what will truly set you apart. Show empathy, kindness, and a willingness to support others. These traits are invaluable in building deep, meaningful relationships. The right person will appreciate the depth of character you possess. They will see the value in your authenticity, your integrity, and your commitment to personal growth. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Stoicism and attraction. We hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring. If you're ready to delve deeper into building the life and relationships you deserve, we invite you to explore more of our content. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and guidance. Together, let's continue this journey of personal growth and authentic living.